Hey kids, want to learn about our world? There's one question I always wondered. Is space like endless?
Hey now, let's get more serious. Hey now, space is full of wondrous things, and that's what you'll learn in astronomy.
You mean like telescopes?
Things like the light spectrum?
So here you can see that we have the light spectrum and the different types of electromagnetic radiation. First off, we start off with radio waves, which are the biggest waves, and those are used to broadcast radio and television. Second biggest, we have microwaves, which granted are used in microwaves, but are also used in cooking, radar, telephones, and other signals. Next up, we have infrared, and infrared transmits heat from the sun, fires, and radiators. The one that we know the most, and the one that's actually useful to us, is visible light, which allows us to see everything that we can. So everything that we see is due to visible light. Then we have ultraviolet light, which helps cause sunburns and tans, and it's absorbed by the skin used in fluorescent tubes. Next up, everybody knows what an X-ray is. It's used in the medical field to see the insides of bodies and objects. In the smallest wavelength, we have gamma rays, which are actually really deadly to humans. And those are used in medicine for killing cancer cells.
Wait, Taylor, you forgot the whole dang solar system. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. There's so much you can learn in astronomy. Even my moon.
Brogan, you mean our moon, right?
Use the moon!
Next, we are going to steal. Pause for effect.
Brogan, what was your favorite unit to learn about?
Well, Taylor, you see, my favorite unit was the light spectrum unit. And we got to learn about all 7 types. Radio, micro, infrared, visible, UV, X-ray, and gamma. And all different colors of the rainbow. What was your favorite?
The different phases of the moon was sure my favorite unit, and oh boy, was that interesting!
Yeah, Taylor, I totally agree. There were a ton of different phases of the moon. Waxing gibbous, waning crescent, full moon.
Okay, we get it. There are a lot of different phases of the moon. What is going on in here?
Yo, shout out Salem High School. Come with me and you will see all we learn in astronomy. Wavelengths to Pluto, spectrums and moons, everything's covered by Patrick Hooves. Visible light spectrums, infrared to blue. Psst, the purple ones are bad for you. We started off strong, learned about light. Looking through spectrometers was quite a sight. Space telescopes, so big and amazing, help us make new discoveries and enjoy more stargazing. Unit 2, celestial sphere, a big made-up ball that shows what stars are near. Moon phases 2, we learned all the tricks. You know how the moon cuts his hair? Eclipse it. Solar system next, all 8 planets. We don't count Pluto, even though it's out of habit. Our Earth is our home. There's nothing like it. Believe me, we checked, there's nowhere else to inhabit. Everything else, too cold or too hot, too rocky, no air, just a bright burning spot. 1 unit left, solar evolution. Stars go through life, and here's the conclusion. When they run out of gas, they grow dark and cold. Gravity overpowers, and poof, a black hole. That's astronomy for you. And between you and me, this class is definitely worth all 12 weeks of Try 3. So come on down to room 209. Mr. Hoover's the bomb, and oops, I'm out of time. Now, Taylor, the real question. Would you recommend this class to your friends?
I literally love everything about this class!
I would highly recommend that you take astronomy as a junior or a senior for a bunch of different reasons. Such as, it's only 1 trimester, has a way lighter workload, And you get to do a bunch of fun things in labs, like you get to use the spectrometer to see all the different colors in light. You should definitely take astronomy. I loved it, and so will you.